Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add a favicon to a Shopify store. If you want to claim the current best deal of $1 for the first 3 months, check out the link in the description below. A favicon, short for favorite icon, is a small image that appears in the browser tab or bookmark bar next to your website's title. It usually mirrors or partially reflects your brand's logo, helping to enhance brand recognition. The ideal favicon size on Shopify is 16 by 60 or 32 by 32 pixels. Small as it may seem, a favicon can do wonders for your online store. It enhances your brand identity, making your Shopify store more memorable and easily identifiable. It gives your online store a professional and published look, building trust with visitors and customers. And last, it provides a visual cue for visitors to quickly locate your Shopify store among multiple tabs opened in their web browser. So first, you need to sign up your Shopify account. On Shopify, a favicon is included in all themes as a straightforward option. From your Shopify admin, head over to Online Store and then Themes. Now, click Customize and click on the icon referring to Theme Settings. Depending on your current theme, the favicon section will be displayed differently. Here is our tutorial on the down theme. In the theme settings page, click Logo. On the logo section, you can add or change either your logo or your favicon. In the favicon image area, do one of the following. Click Select Image to select an image you have already uploaded to your Shopify admin or to upload an image from your computer by pressing Add Image. Then, click Explore Free Images to select an image from your Shopify library of free favicon images. Here, you can also change a selected favicon by clicking on the Change button. Once a favicon is chosen, add alt text to describe your image. Alt text will be displayed when an image can't load. Then click Edit. Enter a brief description of your favicon image in the alt text field. Then hit Save. Remember to click Save to save your changes. Now, the selected favicon is displayed on your browser tab next to your website's title. Whether you are starting out Shopify or are a seasoned e-commerce expert, having a well-designed favicon on your Shopify store brings you one step closer to creating a strong and professional brand identity. But don't stop there and settle for a run-of-the-mill online store when you can take your business to a with higher level. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.